Kerala University College of Teacher Education Nedermangaad is one among the prestigious teacher education colleges run by the University of Kerala and recognized by National Council for Teacher Education. It is situated in Manjar, just 1 kilometer away from Nedermangaad bus station, and the campus is spread over an area blessed with a serene atmosphere and natural beauty. The calm, peaceful environment, ideal for an educational institution, is indeed a blessing for the teacher-student community as it facilitates the teaching-learning activities. The most important thing for any successful institution is wholeness, a whole community. Keeping this in mind, we have a well-planned morning assembly which is accompanied with prayer, pledge, inspiring thoughts, information of latest happenings, addressed by the principal and national anthem. All these activities give the students a chance to be a part of the college activities and to build confidence in them. The speech from the principal acts as a strong pillar in the moral development of students and facilitates value education, which is an integral part of our vision and mission.
Kerala University College of Teacher Education Nedermangaad is the college directly run by University of Kerala, offering bachelor degree courses in education. The college offers BEd courses in English, Hindi, Math Science, Social Science, and Physical Science. Started in 1994, the college initially functioned at Valatani and shifted to Nedermangaad in 2004. Importance is given to the co-curricular activities along with the curriculum. The alumni of the college are well placed. We have highly qualified and eminent teaching staff who are committed in their duties, and the students pass out each year with high marks. We have highly committed and experienced non-teaching staff who ensure the smooth running of the administrative matter. You can have a unique learning experience at this college.
This college has an excellent teaching faculty with highly qualified and well-experienced staff. The teacher-student ratio is maintained at 1:10. All teachers are full-time and the students are given special attention in their studies. The excellent result in the university examination is due to the dedicated, constant effort by the staff. By acknowledge, respect and value the students' effort, teachers use diverse mechanisms for the effective transaction of curriculum. Parent-teachers meetings are held periodically, not only to furnish students' performance to the parents directly, but also to strengthen the family-institution relationship. Taking into account the saying, coming together is a beginning, keeping together is progress, working together is success, we KUCT Nedermangaad held regularly scheduled monthly and weekly meetings to ensure staff accountability and participation, which provide updates, deliver announcements, solicit feedback, share information and participate in a team environment. The college has a well-designed administrative block and various other rooms and facilities for the students. It has provided well-furnished labs for basic sciences separately and other departmental laboratories as per the norms of National Council for Teacher Education. We have well-equipped ICT-enabled versatile computer lab, and each section of students has separate classrooms and facilities as per the norms of NCTE. Classrooms are well-furnished and ventilated. Along with this, we have fully equipped seminar hall and multipurpose hall which aims to ensure the overall development of students. The college building has made more provisions for the expansion. Other facility consists of art and aesthetic room, physical education room and so on. The students have all the facilities for games and sports. Adequate infrastructure is provided for indoor and outdoor games and extracurricular activities. Art and aesthetic education is another highlight which is aimed not only to develop the aesthetic sense among the learners but also to familiarize the arts terms and many more activities like glass painting, card making, accessory designing and making, puppetry, floor mat making, decoration item, photo frames and points, musical instrument awareness, and so on. Totally, it helps our students to have a stress-free learning environment. Along with that, they conduct so many student organization activities as well as special presentations, performing art events, sporting events, recreational activities, holiday events, commemorative events, arts festival, and so on. Access to information is a vital key in developing the individual's potentiality. KUCT Nirmangad has provided a library consisting more than 8,500 volumes of books and adequate number of journals. All the latest edition of books, both for reference and texts, are available in this library. It also subscribes to various newspaper and periodicals for the information and update of their knowledge. The library is computerized with all the features of library management system. The development of any society largely depends on accessibility and quality of its education. Quality education is almost impossible without quality teachers. Role of teacher education institutions are very challenging as responsibility of making quality teachers lie with them. KUCT Nirmangad Scott is well headed by Dr. Sunit Kumar GN, Principal, and Ms. Lakshmi Pushkaran, Academic Coordinator. Our teaching faculty includes Mr. Jaymohan K, Ms. Sindhu IP, Ms. Anila R, Dr. Chanjal Abraham, Ms. Anuja VS, Ms. Bindu S. Nair, Dr. Reshmi KS, Ms. Shanti Ishwar, and Ms. Nitya KP, and highly supportive non-teaching staff Ms. Reshmi RS, Mr. Shajib S, Ms. Suni S, Ms. Bijida GV, and Mr. Pradeep Chandranar. Health and physical education resources in our college instills sportsmanship and team leadership among the teacher trainees. We have sports equipment of the highest quality which are made available to our students throughout the sessions, which are utilized for the development of student teachers. It provides various opportunities for students to dwell in indoor and outdoor sports activities. The students can avail indoor games like chess, carom board, table tennis, and outdoor games like badminton, throwball, volleyball, and so on. Institute aims to develop professional competence through physical and emotional development for the benefit of the students through health and fitness programs, meditation, and yoga classes. Along with all this, we have so many cells, committees, councils, forums and activities for the better functioning of the institution, which works with the collaboration of principal, staff and students of our college. It includes grievances cell, anti-ragging committee, quality assurance cell, core committee of the academic council, admission committee, finance committee, college development council, disciplinary committee, library committee, research committee, remedial and tutorial care committee, committee against sexual harassment, dress code committee, equal opportunity cell, disaster management committee, ethical committee, college magazine committee, international collaboration and exchange program, outreach program committee, placement cell advisory committee, canteen committee, information resource committee, program and publication committee, alumni committee, purchase committee, library purchase committee, Nature Club, Counseling Cell, Women's Cell, Charity Club Committee and KUCD Nedumangad Teachers Cultural Forum, and activities like Talent Day, National and International Day celebrations, outreach activities, Parent-Teacher Association activities. Working hard for something we don't care about is called stress. Working hard for something we love is called passion. Team KUCT Nedumangad always works with passion, and our past and current accomplishments constitute a living legacy, a foundation from which we will continue to meet society's needs and anticipating the needs of future education. Thank you.